Hello friends, welcome back to Mathematics Catalyst. Today we are going to see that how we can multiply any number with 9, 99, 999 and so on using a trick. And the name of this trick is Ek Nunain Purvain, which means that we have to subtract 1 from the previous number. Let's understand it with the help of the examples. So suppose we need to multiply 6 with 9. We all know that 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. But to understand the trick, it is important to start from the base. So here we will subtract 1 from 6, which is 5. And so our result is 5. Now we will subtract the result from 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So our answer is 54. Let's move to another example. Suppose we need to multiply 36 with 99. So here 36 minus 1 is 35 and now result is 35. So we will subtract 35 from 99. We get 64. So 36 minus 1 is 35 and 99 minus 35 is 64 and we got our answer 3564. Let's see another example. Like we want to multiply 87 with 99. Here first we will subtract 1 from 87, which is 86. Now we will subtract 86 from 99. So it will be 13. So 86 and 13. Our answer will be 8613. Let's move ahead. So now this is a 3-digit number. Here we have to multiply 473 with 999. Here first we will subtract 1 from 473, which is 472. So 999 minus 472, which will be 527, and 472 and 527. We got our answer 472,527. Let's see another example. Suppose we need to multiply 798 with 999. Here we will subtract 1 from 798, which is 797. Now subtracting 797 from 999, we get 202. So 798 minus 1, 797, and 999 minus 797, we get 202. And here is our answer 797,202. Let's solve this big number. It's also easy if we will apply the trick. So first we will subtract 1 from 768,564. Subtracting 1 from this, it will be 768,563. And now subtracting 768,563 from 999,999. So it will be 231,436. Now joining these numbers, we get our answer. So it is 768,563,231,436. This was the trick which I wanted to share with you. Now you can practice these questions, which are 67 multiplied by 99, 978 multiplied by 999, 5487 multiplied by 9999, and you can solve these questions and let me know the answer in the comment box. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.